guys, we're back. So let's join this.
Ate Butaylok.
What the fuck is that? Ate Butaylok.
Ate But.
I see you. Your name is Hanamishi. Just kidding. Bro, where are you? This is you, right?
Your name download muna. Let's change. Ay!
No, I don't need that shit.
No!
Let's go right here.
No thanks.
Bang, bang,
No
meow.
thanks. Salam alaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Wait.
Damn!
Alright, goodbye.
Uy, Raiken. Raiken, faster. Good gods. You know, Raiken,
So let's Mommy! Abu Gajayna! Abu Gajayna! Gajayna! Wait! What's this again?
Around! Raiken!
Bujayna!
Raiken for me!
Wait, those Bujayna are so very unfair.
That head looks like Nani Pila.
No, I see them. They look like a Bujayna.
They look like Mommy Pig.
And go.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Bujayna!
Hold it ng pata!
I'm just there, and I'm there, bro. Bro.
Hey, just do like this. Uy, like that.
Bro, come on! Run out!
Nilak mo di, Raiken.
What will you say? What will you say? Fast. Oh my god, I thought it just got fast. Oh, come on, guys! Just. Oh my god, I see Bujay.
Stop it. Get some help.
I see Bujay.
Mrs. Manani Palam. Right dito.
I see Bujay na.
Ay, dito, right! Dito!
Oh my god, you're screaming like a gay.
Screaming.
Oh my god.
Palam!
Nani umosya?
Hindi na, Rai. Hurry up!
What
Yan,
the?
sige dyan.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Did you just flip your head?
Bruh.
Hindi dyan, Roy!
Who the fuck is Meme Eleko? Who the fuck is Meme Eleko? Fuck! I'm a guy, so I don't need to yell, bruh. I mean, I don't need to. Let's make him. He fell. He fell. He deserved that shit. Okay, guys, where are you? Oh my god, I'm going in stage 3. Where are you guys? Guys, chill out. So okay, guys, this video will be over. See you all soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say, can we yell? Can we shout? Wait, 1, 2, 3.